Welcome to day 2 of baseball practice. If you haven't watched the first video, go back and do that now. To begin, we are going to review our sight words that we learned the first time we did baseball practice. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. I'll point to a word and you'll say the word before I do. Ready? Here we go. Say the word. This. Say the word. Is. Say the word. From. Say the word. The. Say the word. Has. Say the word. That. Say the word. What. Say the word. See. How did you do at your sight words? The next thing we're going to do is practice some CVC words. These are words that you can sound out. Let's take a look. All right, we're going to practice for fluency, so we're going to read quickly. We'll say the sounds and then we'll blend them together. All right, let's get ready. Ready? Say the sounds. S, ad, sad, l, ug, lug, w, et, wet, b, ad, bad, b, ib, bib. How'd you do at saying the sounds and reading out loud with me? Keep up the great work. On our next row, ready? Here we go. R, an, ran, l, ag, leg, h, og, hog, b, it, bit, r, ib, rib. All right, one more row. Say them out loud with me. L, og, log, s, ix, six, ot, hot, d, og, dog, b, ob, bob. Great work. Now we're going to practice reading our story that will have our sight words and many CVC words in it. All right, let's read out loud together. Ready? Say the words. Baseball practice. Keep reading with me for the rest of the book. All right, let's get this fixed up a little bit. All right, ready? Here we go. This is Matt. Matt got his bat. He will get his hat. Matt got his hat. What is that? It is the van. Matt can see the van. He will grab his hat and his bat. He ran to the van with his hat and his bat. Oh no! Matt did not grab his bag. That is bad. One more page. Keep reading with me. Matt ran from the van. He got the bag. He has his bat and his hat and his bag. All right, now that we've read the book together, we're going to do some duet reading. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words that are yellow. So for this cover page, I'd say baseball, and you'd say practice. Ready? Let's try it. Baseball. Great. Keep reading all the words in yellow out loud. Here we go. This Matt got bat. Will his All right, keep reading the words in yellow. Matt, his, what, that, is, van. Matt, see, van. Will, his, and, that. He, to, van, his, and, bat. No. Matt, not, his, that, bad. Matt, from, van, got, bag, has, bat, his, and, bag. Awesome work reading all of the yellow words. Now we're going to check our understanding of the text. That's called comprehension. Did you understand what you read? Here's a couple questions we can use to check. Let's read the first question out loud. What did Matt have? Say the answer out loud. I think there's two possible answers looking at the story. On page 1, Matt got his bat. That's one answer. On page 2, Matt got his hat. That's another answer. Either of those would be correct. Let's go to the next question. Ready? Read it with me. Where did Matt run? Say the answer out loud. On page 4, we see the answer. Ready? Read it with me. He ran to the van. Did you say van? Awesome job. Let's take a look at the last question. All right. Ready? Read it with me. What did Matt forget? Say the answer out loud. All right, on page 5, I see the correct answer. Read with me. Matt did not grab his bag. So he forgot his bag. Awesome job. Now that we've read and checked our comprehension, it's time to do some writing. Find this sheet of paper and your pencil and get ready to do some writing together. We're going to start at the top where it says CVC. You're going to write 3 CVC words from our story. On the first line, you're going to write the word bat. Say the word bat with me. Now let's say the sounds. B-at. Now write bat on the line. Bat. Bat. Check that your letter B is going in the correct direction. All right, let's check our work. This is the word bat. B-at. Bat. Does your B start with a line and then have a circle afterwards? Then do you have an A and a T? Check your work and make it look like mine if you don't. Bat. Now let's go to the second line. On our second line, we're going to write the word did. Write did on the second line. Did you bring your books home? Did. Did. All right, let's check how we spell the word did. All right, this is the word did. D-id. Check your D. Just have a circle first and then a line. Then you have an I and then you have another D with the circle first. Did. If yours doesn't look like mine, you can always pause the video and change it so it does. All right, our last word is the word bag. Bag. Write that on your third line. Did you bring your baseball bag to practice? Bag. Bag. All right, let's check it out. Bag. And some people say bag, which is really the correct way of saying it. Bag. Bag. B, the line first, then a circle, A, and G. All right, if yours doesn't look like mine, pause and make sure it does. Here's all three words we just wrote. Now we're going to move down to the star. The star is where we write our sentence. Our sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4 words. The words are, see what he has. Say it with me. See what he has. We're going to start with the first two lines. You're going to write see what. Remember to start your word see with a capital letter. See what. Say those words with me. See what. Now write them down. See goes on the first line. And what goes on the second line. See what. See what. Now we're going to write the last two words. See what he has. Our third word is he, and our last word is has. Write he on this third line. He. Write has on the last line. Has. Has. He has. So our sentence is see what he has, with a period at the end of your sentence. See what he has. All right, let's take a look at that sentence. All right, we're going to start with the word see. This is the word see. Okay, the S and then two E's make the E sound. S, E. You have to remember two E's because that's a heart part. It's a vowel team and the two E's make the E sound. S, E. Notice my S is capitalized. Is yours? Okay, if you got that one correct, on the circle on the top, you're going to put a check mark. All right, if it's not correct, make sure you correct it now, or pause the video if you need to. The next word is the word what. WH makes the W sound. W. I have to memorize that by heart. And then A, I also really have to memorize by heart because that makes an sound. And T says T. That's the only one that makes its normal sound. WH, W. A says and T, T. What. If you got that correct, check it here or fix it now. See what. He is an H and an E. The E makes the long vowel sound. E. E. See what he has. Z. Oh, that Z sound is made with an S. I need to remember that by heart. Just like in his, is, was, the S at the end of a word can sometimes make a Z sound. And I put a period at the end. See what he has. Make sure to check these circles at the top if you have the words correct, or stop the video now and correct your sentence. Awesome work on baseball practice day. Keep up the great work, friends.